Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can create a Wi-Fi QR code. If you are thinking about why you need a Wi-Fi QR code, maybe this has happened to you. In your workplace or at your home, if someone asks from you for your Wi-Fi password, if it is kind of a complicated password and you don't remember it. Sometimes we mark our passwords on our routers as well. When comes to situations like this, you will have to check your router, your computer to find out your Wi-Fi password. As a solution for this, you can have a QR code printed out to share your Wi-Fi password with your colleagues and friends. They just have to scan the QR code from their mobile phones and the settings will be automatically applied to their devices. So guys, let me show you how you can do that easily. Okay, search for Wi-Fi QR generator in Google and you will get several results like this. I have mostly prefer the Wi-Fi QR code generator or FioJ's Wi-Fi QR code generator. In here, enter your Wi-Fi name as SSID and select the encryption. Most of the time it is WPA, and enter your password and click generate. You can see your QR code is generated. If you need, you can print it from here. If you try out the same thing in QR generator, you can have stylish QR codes from this QR code generator website. You can have kind of different stylish QR codes like this. Once you generated the QR code, if you scan it from your mobile device, you can see the Wi-Fi settings will be automatically applied to your mobile device. So guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions, please add it in the comment section. If you still haven't subscribed to our channel, you can do that here as well. Thank you. Keep in touch.